Dear Amanda, I'm writing you this letter because it was too hard for me to tell you in person. I found out that hiccups are a direct cause of death, and that I now have 24 hours to live. I want you to know that I love you, but with my remaining time, I have to find my purpose. But the more I think of this idea of purpose, the more silly it seems. And the materialistic things, I want you to have this, don't help you love life.
No way. Your PS5?
I'm not gonna hit me today. Instead, loving life itself is enough.
Mom, you're not gonna believe this!
We always look forward to what's next, but forget to enjoy what's now.